Hello friends. Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project e-commerce portal. This project e-commerce portal I have developed in Python, Django and MySQL. We created this project using two different type of UI and the both are the bootstrap theme, and also I am using latest version of Python, that is Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So these things technology I am using in this project. This is a front end page of this project and the project title is e-commerce portal, like a online shopping system. I have developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. Okay, and I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, some of the jQuery library also. I have used for giving some good effects inside the project, like this you can see. Okay, you can see there is a slider running on the home page, you can see. Okay, we have added 3 images on this slider which are coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see here categories, you can see here categories, you can see all the categories from here, and this is a search thing, you can search anything from here. Okay, so this is home page of this project. Okay, this is a about us page. This is about project. This is a totally static page, nothing real, nothing dynamic in this page. Okay, same, this is a products page. You can see all the products which are coming from the database. Okay, you can see all the products. You can add the number of products from the database. This is a category page. You can see all the here 8 categories. You can add the number of categories from the database. Okay, this is a user registration page. User can easily register here, and this is a login, admin login, customer login, and this is a contact us page. Okay, this is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page, and we have integrated a small map, you can see. Okay, this is a major project. Okay, user and admin both login. So first, if you want to buy some products like a Canon 60D camera, click on the view details. Okay, here is the restrictions. Without login, you can't buy the any product. So you have to must login account. So user ID is customer and the password is test. Okay, and now click on the login to account. Okay, this is a user dashboard. You can see this is a user dashboard. This is a total orders, confirmed orders, order in transit, delivered orders, your important links. You can easily go from this page, from this link, and this is the orders. You can see your orders. Okay, first if you want to buy, if you want to do shopping, like click on the shopping and the products. If you want to buy formal shoes, click on the view details. Here you can see the details of this formal shoes. You can add the number of category, number of quantity from this page. Click on the add to cart. You can see your cart has been updated successfully, name and the cost per unit in this quantity. I think you buy 2 pairs. If you buy 2 pairs, then you already clicked on quantity 2 items, and you can see the amounts get calculating automatically, or click on the proceed to checkout. This is a make payment page. This is a dummy page, nothing real on this page. Okay, so you can enter the any card number, name of card like a Visa, Master. You can do anything, you can enter anything like CVV. Click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done. This is your order summary, this is your payment summary, and this is your personal details. Okay, if you want to buy your all orders, click on the my orders and you can see your all orders. If you want to see this this order details, click on the eye icon, you can see your all order details. Okay, if you want to update your account, you can click on my account, you can easily update your account, and this is a change password. If you want to update your password, you can click on the change password, you can easily update your password. Okay, so this is all about the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. Okay, you can see the administration option, dashboard option, and the logout option is also showing. You can, okay, because of the session driven, customer has login, so the system is checking who is login, and accordingly so that upper menu is displaying. So this is all about the front end panel we have developed inside the project. Now comes the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open admin first. So you need to log in, right? So without login, you can't access the internal page. Okay, click on the sign in. User ID is admin and the password is test. Now click on the sign in. Okay. Oh, this is a user admin dashboard, sorry. You can see this is a very attractive and great dashboard because you can see each and everything from this dashboard. You can see total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders, order in transit, total orders, total customer, quick menu. You can easily come in this page from this link. Okay, and this is, you can see all products, registered customer, available categories. You can see each and everything from this page. Okay, first click on the add products page. Here admin can easily add new products from this page. Okay, this is a add products page. This is a product report page. You can see all the product report. You can easily edit and delete from here, and you can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. Okay, and this is a column visibility. If you want to hide image, you can click on image. If you want to see the visible of you, if you want to see the image, then click on the image. The image has been visible. This is the power of this table. Okay, now click on the add category. This is a add category page. Admin can easily add new category from this page, and this is a category report. You can easily edit and delete from here. Okay, this is all, you can see all the category report from this page. This is a order management. Here admin can easily see the order report and cancel the order. And this is a customer management page. Here admin can add the new customer from this page. Okay, and this is a customer report. You can see, so this is a user report. You can see all the user report. You can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. Okay, this is a customer report, and this is a change password. Here admin can update your password from this page, and this is a logout option. Okay, so this is the view of admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different types of view for managing this whole project e-commerce portal. Okay, so this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So don't forget, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.